So you've got a roofing job you want to talk about?
Actually, it's not a roof at all. It's about a vehicle service pit.
Oh, I'm just so used to you coming to me for roofing projects, and wait, what are you doing in a vehicle service pit?
I'm what you call a renaissance man.
Huh, I'm learning more and more about you as these meetings go on. Anyways, what's your question?
We've got these pits that we use either nets or steel plates to protect, but they get a little tedious having to remove between inspections and oil changes.
I can see how that would be a struggle.
Yeah, so we were wondering if we could remove them entirely and just paint in big yellow letters that say, "Watch out, there's an open pit here, please be careful."
That's going to be a lot of paint, but no. A warning is all well and good, but that's not going to protect the pit.
Aw.
Have you considered any other fall protection alternatives?
Yes.
Okay, and what have you considered?
Nothing. You just asked if I've considered it, which I have.
Okay, so I would recommend a retractable pit cover that can easily collapse and expand as needed.
Oh wow, that sounds neat. And you're giving this recommendation completely unbiased and not to the benefit of anyone else?
Yes.
Well, where can I find these fancy pit covers for my vehicle service pits?